Good morning, Saugus. I'm Chase Bowers, and today is Wednesday, November 20th.
And I'm Bardia Seiri. This is SNN.
For today's fact of the day, we thought we'd tell you about, Dracula.
Dracula is a character from Bram Stoker's 1897 novel rooted in Transylvania legend and is one of the most infamous vampire characters in media. Count Dracula is a centuries-old vampire and a nobleman whose dark powers allow him to shapeshift into a bat or wolf, control lesser creatures, and mesmerize his victims.
The story begins when an English solicitor named Jonathan Harker visits Dracula to finalize a real estate transaction. Unbeknownst to Harker, Dracula plans to leave Transylvania for England, seeking fresh victims to sustain his immortality. Dracula's arrival in England unleashes a wave of horror as he preys on unsuspecting victims, including Lucy Westenra, who becomes his first victim.
The novel's climax occurs when Harker, his fiancée Mina, and Professor Abraham Van Helsing comes together to stop Dracula. In a final confrontation, they destroy him, ending his reign of terror and freeing his victims from his curse. Please stand for the flag salute. Place your right hand over your heart. Ready, begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. You may now be seated.
If you do not feel well, you must ask your teacher for a pass to the health office. The nurse will contact your parents if necessary.
The parking lot is only to be used by staff and seniors who paid for their parking spots. Any car in the parking lot without a permit will be ticketed and potentially towed.
Ooh, doesn't sound fun. If you forgot your student password or never got one, you can see Mrs. Gutowski in the library to fix that issue.
REACH will be hosting college guest speakers to the end of the semester. UCLA will be hosting a presentation on Monday, December 2nd during first period in room Q1715. If you're interested in attending, you must obtain a permission slip from Mrs. Hilstein at lunch. I will be there.
Wow. Saugus Theater will be presenting this year's fall play, Dracula, a comedy of terrors, tonight through Saturday, November 23rd at 7 p.m. in the Performing Arts Center. Tickets are $10 for students and $12 for general admission and can be purchased on GoFan. I'd love to see you all there.
With Thanksgiving right around the corner, S&M would like to share some recipes for your table this holiday season.
Good morning, Saugus. I'm Helen Smith, cooking with S&M. For this Thanksgiving season, we thought we'd tell you how to make cheesy potatoes.
The ingredients you'll need include 7 potatoes, peeled and diced, 1 of each color bell pepper, diced, onions, diced, cream of chicken, mushroom, and cheddar cheese soup, 16 ounces of sour cream, and 1 pound of sharp cheddar cheese, grated. Let's get started. Make sure to wash your hands before doing anything with soap and warm water. Take all of your ingredients that were diced and place them into a pan on medium heat, stirring until the potatoes are soft and golden. While these are cooking, combine your soups, sour cream, and half a pound of your cheese in a saucepan on low heat and mix well. Before your potatoes are done, preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Once your potatoes, peppers, and onions are cooked, combine them with the soups into a saucepan and mix well. Once mixed, pour the mixture into a large casserole dish and spread your remaining cheese evenly on top. Once the oven is preheated, place the dish into the oven for 45 minutes and let bake until the cheese on top is golden. Finally, take out, serve, and enjoy.
This is a super fun and easy recipe that anybody can make for your Thanksgiving dinner. This has been Helen Smith, cooking with S&M.
Thanks, Holden. That looks tasty. Good morning, Saugus. I'm Conor Webb with today's Saugus Sports Update. Today, boys soccer plays Bellflower at Saugus. Frosh plays at 3:15, varsity plays at 5, and JV plays at 6:30. Today, and for the rest of the week, varsity boys basketball competes in the Paul Sutton Tip-Off Classic at Providence High School at 3:30. Also, for the rest of the week, JV boys basketball competes in the Heritage Christian JV Tournament at Heritage Christian. Finally, for the rest of the week, Frosh boys basketball competes at the Hart Frosh Tourney at Hart. Tomorrow, girls soccer competes in the Thousand Oaks scrimmage at Thousand Oaks. Frosh plays at 4, JV plays at 5:30, and varsity plays at 7:15. Tomorrow, and for the rest of the week, varsity girls basketball competes in the St. Mary Kickoff Classic at Culver City High School. Also tomorrow, and for the rest of the week, JV and Frosh girls basketball compete in the West Side Classic at Palisades High School. Good luck to all of our Centurion athletes. If you're interested in joining track and field, tryouts will be held on December 3rd through December 5th from 3 to 6. Be sure to bring athletic clothing and shoes without spikes. Athletes must sign up through a Google form. QR codes for the form will be posted on the outdoor stage. That's all for me. Congratulations to SNN's own Bardia Seiri, Dylan Lovelace, Shanine Gavorgis, Francesco Lahaz, and Jaden Moeller for placing 3rd in the SCV Sheriff's video contest on the dangers of too much screen time. Here's their entry, The Bed.
All right, Lorenzo, my mom's going to be here in an hour, so I'd start packing up. Hello? Can you even hear me? I bet you wouldn't last 1 hour without your phone.
What? 1 hour? No phone? You know what? Make that one whole day.
Easy. We'll see.
Okay.
Just a few more hours and I'll see you again. How do you make eggs again? I mean, you get the pan and then you get the egg and just...
Oh, hey, Lorenzo. What are you doing here?
Hey, Thomas, do you have your phone on you by any chance?
What?
Can I just get one swipe from it, please? Please? Please?
It's back there charging. Why?
Because I know it's in there somewhere. So can I just please get one swipe?
It's in my room charging.
Can I have it, please?
Oh, yeah. Yeah. No. I knew you were just using me. Get a life, you bum.
So you did it. 1 whole day. I don't know if I could do that. How do you feel?
You know what? I can go for a week.
Congratulations, Bardia. That was really special.
Thank you so much.
Seniors, it's time to order your caps and gowns, graduation announcements, 2025 senior memorabilia, and senior class jewelry. Order at jostens.com.
Electronic devices must be turned off and put away during instructional time on campus. You are permitted to have devices out during brunch and lunch. If you have an open period, devices must remain off and away.
You are not permitted to leave campus during brunch unless it is the end of your academic day or if upperclassmen have a signed off-campus permission form.
PTSO scholarships are now open. To be eligible, you must be a senior with a GPA of 2.5 or higher. You must be a member as of next Friday, November 22nd by 4 p.m. in the office or online by midnight. Applications will be available on the week of December 16th. Applications and essays are due by Friday, January 31st.
That's all for today. I'm Chase Bowers. Stay tuned for SNN Radio, Saugus Today, and Dracula performing their opening night tonight.
And I'm Bardia Seiri. Have a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow.